Hey, what's up guys? Today I'll be going through the Fibonacci retracement trading strategy as well as my personal golden pocket trading strategy. So in this video, we'll be looking at how to apply the Fibonacci retracement tool. We'll be looking at Fibonacci confluence. So with Fibonacci confluence, we'll be able to identify high probability trades. So with that being said, let's hop onto the charts to look at some live examples of applying the Fibonacci retracement tool. Please watch until the end as I will be applying it to a real live chart and placing a trade based on my analysis using the Fibonacci retracement tool as well as the golden pocket strategy. I know what you guys are going to say. It's easy to plot these winning trades on a chart, but watch until the end. I will be applying it to a real live chart and placing my trades based on my analysis. Let's go. So what are retracements? Retracements is short-term price corrections during the initial trend, and therefore it's a trend following strategy. And that's why we need to identify the swing highs and swing lows. So first we need to identify which trend we're in. As we can see by the chart, we are currently in an uptrend, forming higher highs and higher lows. In a bullish trend, we draw from a swing low to swing high, and in a bearish trend we'll draw upwards from a swing high to a swing low. Now that we established the trend and our swing low and swing high, we can apply the Fibonacci retracement tool and draw from the swing low to the swing high in a bullish scenario. Always remember that the fibs should be drawn from the candle wick of the swing low and the swing high. In a bearish scenario, so we will draw it from our swing high down to our swing low. As mentioned, always draw it from the candle's wick of your swing low and swing high. So remember that the 23.60, 38.20, and 50% are shallow pullbacks, which is indicating strong trend to the upside or continuation. The 61.80, the 78.6, and the 100% are deep pullbacks. When applying the Fib retracement to your charts, always remember shallow pullbacks. The price will often respect those levels in a strong uptrend. Anything below your 100% will not be classified as a pullback based on our previous low. There will be a change in market structure and that will be breaking lower lows, which in most cases is continuation to the downside. So for this example, I'll be showing you Fibonacci confluence with regards to trading. As we can see on the 1 hour Bitcoin chart that we are forming lower lows and lower highs. Please note that fibs do not work well with consolidations, corrections, ranges, and sideways movements, as we always focus on the trend when applying our fibs. Because we are in a downtrend, we will go with the fib retracement tool and we'll take the opposite swing high to the more recent or previous swing low. So based on my fibs, I can see that we retested the 0.236. So based on the zone, I see that we got the rejection from there as well. I'll use a trend line to connect that as well. So based on my analysis, I like to use the 50 EMA. So here we have confluence with my local level of resistance. I have my dynamic resistance based on my 50 EMA, and I have a diagonal resistance based on the trend line. So now that we have all these confirmations in place, I'm comfortable taking a short position based on my analysis. I'll grab my short position tool. I'll take a trade at candle close. My stop I'll normally place above the 0.382 previous resistance based on the fibs level. And for this example, I'll go for a 2-to-1 risk reward ratio. So let's play the chart and see how that plays out. And as you can see, that trade was successful based on the Fib retracement strategy. So this is an example of how the Fib's confluence can help us identify a high probability trade. The golden pocket is a level between the 0.618 and the 0.65 on the Fibonacci retracement ratio. So this is how I use the golden ratio strategy. Based on price action on this 1 hourly chart of Bitcoin, we can see that Bitcoin is currently in an uptrend. Bitcoin could possibly go to, what's the lowest it could go to, or where the possible reversal can happen. And for that reason, I will pull out my Fibonacci retracement again. As previously mentioned, from swing low to swing high. So now that I found my golden ratio based on my Fib retracement, we can clearly see that BTC is currently being rejected from this resistance. And BTC has formed a lower low, which is a change in market structure. So let's play it and see what happens. As you can see, forming lower lows, continuation to the downside. We saw a rejection from this resistance. Lower low, lower high. Clearly broke this support here as well, forming a new lower low and a lower high. So BTC has hit my golden pocket ratio. So now that I've seen a nice bounce of our golden pocket, I will apply another ratio, golden pocket ratio, from the recent swing high to the swing low. And based on this confirmation that the buyers are stepping in, I would place a trade based on that as well. That high, below that swing low, take profit just below my golden pocket. So let's see how this plays out. There you go. Take profit is hit. It was a winning trade. So this golden ratio strategy can be applied to any time frame. I personally don't use it on the smaller time frames. I prefer using on the daily, 4 hourly and 1 hourly chart. But as promised, I said that I will give a live demonstration based on that golden pocket analysis. So with that being said, let me jump over to the live trade that I took this morning using that same type of golden pocket analysis. So if you learned something or would like to see more based on other strategies or technical tools, please like and subscribe and comment below so that I can create more content based on your requests. If you'd like to contact me with regards to any type of strategy or anything related to crypto, please feel free to contact me in our Discord, link in the description below. Come and join the #1 crypto community in the World Crypto University. Thanks guys for watching. Please like, subscribe and comment below. Gman-crypto. Peace.